Good day, everyone. This is Areweshala Akinjide from Profit Online Hustles. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to join unlimited WhatsApp groups in one click to sell or market your product. But before we go, have you ever wondered how some fellows make sales online while you are not really getting sales, and they do this organically without paid advert? Do you know that it is actually possible to join unlimited WhatsApp groups in Nigeria or anywhere you are so as to market your product and make sales? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. Now let's go straight to the point. The first step is to know the groups you want to join. That means you should have a niche, the area you want to specify in. It can be maybe graphic designs, it can be affiliate marketing, it can be web designing or copywriting, or whichever group you want to find yourself in. So after knowing that, then go to your Google and make a search. And what are you going to be searching on Google? Just type something like WhatsApp groups. Let's say WhatsApp groups for, then you put your niche. Let's say affiliate marketing now. Affiliate marketing, and let it go. Now you can see here now the first site has like 730 plus. This one has 250, 500, 1800, 100, like that. So now another thing you can do, you can just join these ones, but another thing you can do is to streamline your search. What do I mean? You put in the country so that it will be people you can relate with. Let's assume now that I'm in Nigeria. All I will not need to put is WhatsApp groups for affiliate marketing in Nigeria. Are you getting it now? Now search. Okay, we still have same thing here, 730, now 250, this one, and so on and so forth. So what we need to do, let's go practical now. Click on anyone. You can join any one of them. Just click and search. Now when we search, scroll up a bit. When you scroll up, you can see here active affiliate marketing WhatsApp group links. So you can join any one of them. I will still show you another thing that may happen, so don't go yet. But if you are a new friend, as you are enjoying this video, please put a thumbs up for this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, make a comment, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are also welcome. Please do the same and let's move together. Now, if you click on any one of them, so let me do practical now. I click on the first one here. Okay, you see now we have 12 participants in this one. And it's from Nigeria because the number is showing. You can decide to join, but because it's 12 participants, probably you can just cancel it and then go back. Then look for another one. You just be going through, like this one now is still Nigeria. It has 131 participants. So if you want to join, just click on the join group. You can see it here on the down part here. Just click on it and then you get inside. All right, so I don't want to join this one now, so let's go. So when you're through with this group, you can still go back to the next side and look for any other one to join again. Now all you still need to do is to scroll up, and then when you get there, you join another one. Now watch, there is a probability that when you click on join, I don't know, any one of these may actually do that thing. When you click on join, some of the links may have been revoked, or maybe they have been reset. So I know one of them will show. Let's start from this number one. Okay, you can see now you can't join this group because this invite link was reset. So if you find something like this, just okay it and then go back and look for any other one. Let's do one more as a case study. Now let's check here. Now look at this place. Something interesting I just saw here. In this place is for Nigeria. You can put your location, you can put the city, you can put your category and marketing, then you search. This one very interesting. Okay, you see one here now, affiliate marketing, 72 IG digital marketing course. You can click here now and then let this ad be removed, and then you see join group here. Click on it and then you find yourself in the group. This is how to join unlimited WhatsApp groups wherever you are. But let me sound this warning. This video is not actually for you to go and be spamming groups. The purpose of this video is not for you to spam group. Let me show you what you can do. Number one, stick to the rules of the group or the groups. Stick to their rules. Know what they want and know what they don't want. Number two thing you can do to market your product here now is to extract contact and send messages to them. You can extract contact from the group and send messages to them. Now, if you don't know how to do that, you can reach me. The link will be in the description. You can reach me. I will show you how to do that. Or if you want list of ready-made groups, these ones are not on Google, you can also reach me. Now, again, what you can do is in the group, make meaningful contributions. Make meaningful contributions before you pitch your tent or market your product in the group. You can also, one thing is you can do is on the site that we've seen in the Google search, you can meet the admin. You can go to their contact me list address and tell them, in case you yourself, you want people to come to your group, you can go there and look for the admin or look for their contact me or their email and send it to them. Inform them that you yourself, you want your group to be on their side so that people can join. I believe you enjoy this video. If you do, please like, subscribe, turn on the notification if you are our new friends, and you will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.